Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. And guys, today we will be specifically talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and my key reasons why Bitcoin is looking pretty strong right now, and of course why we can be maybe looking for potential higher prices. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up the like button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification, and then we can go right away into the video. So guys, what are we having for Bitcoin? Since yesterday, not a lot of things have been changing on Bitcoin, but on Ethereum, there have been some very interesting changes, of course. We have been meeting our price target, but of course, Ethereum, I will be discussing later in today's video. So let me start off with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, yesterday also discussed symmetrical triangle, still in play here. Nothing really changed on this one. But the most important thing, what have been changing since yesterday, guys, is that we broke through this blue box of resistance. You can see over here, always once trading above this level, providing support. Once trading below it, providing resistance. Once trading above it, providing support over here as well. And this is a very important level that you do want to be trading above. And you can see over here as well, trading below right away getting rejected. And right now, finally, of course, we broke through it and we closed some 4 hourly candles above it. Right now, we can definitely look for some potential higher prices. And you can see right away as well, we are definitely bouncing from off the blue box. So yeah, we're still in the symmetrical triangle, but we are on the upper side of the triangle, and we can be potentially looking for higher prices because, yeah, we cleared this important level of resistance. And besides that as well, on the daily candles for Bitcoin, we are also forming a parallel channel. This is of course very important to see a breakout through on the top side. I do want to be seeing a daily candle close on the top side. If we can't do so, of course, I can't flip extremely bullish on Bitcoin yet here. But of course, we know if we're going to break through this horizontal of this resistance line here towards the downside on Bitcoin, we will be definitely also crushing through on that level over there if we're going to close the daily candles. So as well, guys, we've been talking a lot about the EMA ribbon recently, that the EMA ribbon has been providing us all the way down here resistance, and that we haven't already broke through it. And what we can be finally seeing over here is that we are having another test of the EMA ribbon, and we are so extremely close right now with breaking through the EMA ribbon. Hopefully we can do so. And of course, guys, today all these the weekend is behind us. Yesterday, the National Day for America is also behind us, so the volume will be picking up today once again here. I think today towards Friday will be extremely volatile, and we have to be looking out for some potential higher prices for Bitcoin. So as well, guys, there's for me no reason to panic about Bitcoin right now. Best strategy that you can be using currently is just dollar cost averaging into the market, and of course benefit from the cheap Bitcoin prices below the 40k here. But yeah, for Bitcoin, we are still fighting against the EMA ribbon, and we want to be seeing this breakthrough, of course, playing out here. So that is, of course, very exciting. Besides that, guys, yesterday, also looking at the potential inverse head and shoulders playing out here. We are already seeing the breakout. We are still yet to create more volatility here. Price target sitting around to 40k here. I think that we can create some more volatility in the coming hours because on the Ethereum pair, we, of course, absolutely crushed it towards the upside. So yeah, this looks absolutely exciting here, and we can be still looking for potential higher prices. Besides that, like I told you in the beginning of the stream, video here, there's not a lot of changes for Bitcoin right now playing out here. But guys, the thing that has been changing here is, of course, the price action of Ethereum. So Ethereum, of course, we were yesterday making this video here on the channel. We were exactly predicting this, of course, inverse hand and shoulders, as you can see. And this inverse hand and shoulders perfectly played out here. You can see we were drawing it for you guys. We were giving you guys some price targets. And you can see here the 11%, 30% surge even. We exactly predicted this one since the breakout confirmation. So that's also the reason why you want to be subscribing to the channel right now. Also a reason why you want to be ringing up the bell notification so you can't be missing out on these videos. And besides that, guys, you can as well sign up right now with the Bybit link in the description if you want to be trading. So if you're signing up with Bybit, you can get, of course, a $2,610 deposit bonus. But besides that, guys, you can be also right away joining our trading competition. Our trading competition will be giving us, yeah, you can be joining the trading competition to join the 1BTC price pool. The more people that are going to join, the more higher the price pool will get here. Only 21 more members for the next price level, so make sure to join it all together so we can be pushing up some higher levels in the price pool. So it will be amazing, of course, if you're going to do so. But guys, Also, a thing that I want to be saying here, yeah, Ethereum looks strong here. If we're looking to the bigger picture target for Ethereum, nothing has really changed there. Just like I told you in the beginning of today, yeah, I mean, yesterday and today were pretty boring days. Still now, of course, I do still want to be seeing more volatile getting created towards the upside. Of course, we're still on schedule here for the W recovery for Ethereum as well here, for Bitcoin as well, of course. But Ethereum, as you can see as well on CMC, it's just showing a little bit more strength compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, it looks pretty exciting. Ethereum, of course, moving up here once again here. We can be looking for this potential resist line on the top side as, of course, major resistance, but also as the W neckline here. And I do really want to be seeing that breakthrough, of course, getting out here. And guys, once we're coming closer towards this target, of course, like I told you before, I will be trying to open a trade all together with you guys. So if you want to be joining it, yeah, you just want to keep your eyes out on the channel because, yeah, I will be definitely trading this breakout because this can be giving me a very high potential returns of approximately 40% towards the upside. And I'm not willing to miss that, of course. So as well on the daily candles, guys, you can see the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart broke out towards the upside, and we can be also looking for a 0.1% price action of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking very strong here, guys. We have been forming this symmetrical triangle. Right now, we broke out through the resistance line on the top side. We're about to have a retest. I mean, man, this is definitely a thing that you don't want to be missing out here. Ethereum can be, of course, giving us very high returns here compared to Bitcoin. So make sure to be prepared here. We formed this continuation pattern. We can be still looking for higher prices. And if you're going to miss this out, you're definitely going to miss out the potential 40% returns here. And this 40% target also coming together with the W target here on the top side, it makes a lot of sense for me to see Ethereum climbing up very quickly here. So yeah, can't wait to see how this will be ending, of course. Still accumulating some Ethereum. Of course, if we're talking about Ethereum, yeah, about altcoins, you can also definitely accumulate some Cardano, but Cardano is, of course, a coin I will be talking later about. But guys, this was already it for the video. It was a very short video. Later today, I will be still uploading my top 5 picks for June. Later today, we'll be also bringing out another update for a specific altcoin. Let me know which altcoin I have to be talking about. But guys, today, not a lot of things have been happening in the market, but guys, thank you still so much for watching here. Once seeing something very important, we'll be keeping you guys up to date, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.